Alright folks, I'm right here. Okay, I want to take a second here and do a little short video over over the basics here of binomials. Okay, here are two binomials and I want to multiply them. We're familiar. I noticed my little camera is okay. Let's try that. So what we need to do is multiply all of these guys by all of these guys. And one way to do that would be to multiply this times this, that's x squared. Let's multiply these two guys. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Let's multiply the inner guys. That would be 3x. And let's multiply the lasts. That's negative 6. Now we could put this expression together, x squared plus 3x minus 6. X squared plus 3x minus 6. That was not as fancy as I like to do it, but it's good nonetheless. Now, I'm going to switch boards here. And probably the most important thing here is understanding this business about the signs. So in lieu of, I probably should have paused the machine here. Let's make these 2 plus. Here, let me pause the machine. Okay, notice here on the left I have all the possibilities. We just have a 2 and a 3, but the signs are all different. Here they're both plus, here they're both minus, here they're different. Now, on the FOIL, both of them are going to, all 4 are going to have an x squared here. Okay, equal, 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 equal. Alright, and all of them are going to have a 6. 6, 6, 6, 6. Now, on the FOIL, F-O-I-L, the last is FOIL, right? So that's plus, last times the last. Negative 2 times negative 3 is a plus 6. A positive times a negative is a negative. A negative times a positive is a negative. Now, the key here is we're trying to find the middle term. So here we're going to have a, remember FOIL, outer and inner. We're going to have a plus 3x and a plus 2x is a plus 5x. We're going to have a negative 3x and a negative 2x adds to a negative 5x. We're going to have a negative 3x plus a 2x is just negative x. We're going to have a 3x minus 2x is just plus x. Okay, so notice this. So here are these two look alike, but the middle term has got a negative. And then here these two look alike, but the middle term is a 1 and a 1 there, but one's a negative 1, one's a positive 1. So seeing this pattern and understanding is very, 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 very important. Bottom line, whenever the signs are the same, you're going to add the numbers and keep that sign. When the signs are the same, here they're both negative, you're going to add the numbers and keep the sign. Whenever the signs are opposite or different, it's always going to end up with an answer with the highest number sign. So I got a 2, I got a 3, the number 3 is higher. Oh, it's negative. Here I have a 2 and a 3, the 3 is higher. Ooh, it's positive. And to get that value or that coefficient, you're going to go 3 minus 2. So that's a plus 1x, that's a minus 1x. Okay, that is very, very important. And now the last thing that I want to talk about is factoring. So I'm just going to come up with the problem. Here you go. X squared minus 2x, let's just say minus 8. And so what we're doing is we're working backwards. So we're going to go like this, going to go like this. I'll try to find the two binomials. Wait a minute. Okay. X and X. Now, Notice the last sign is minus, which means they're different. Now, what are two numbers that multiply? Give me 8, subtract, and give me 4. 4 and 2. Does the 4 go here and the 2 go here? Or does the 2 go here and the 4 go here? This is a mystery, okay? Well, we know that this is a negative 2. So the higher number has the negative sign. Here's the negative. Which one's the bigger number? 4. So the 2 goes right here. Folks, this works every time. I promise you that if you work this problem or problems like this 50, 100, 200, 500, 1,000 times, you will get it for sure. That's all I want to say on that.